Tonight, we are learning new details about a stairwell collapse inside a high-rise under construction that killed 3 workers today. It happened just after 1:30 this afternoon at the new Marathon Oil headquarters right near City Center. That's off Town and Country Boulevard and the Katy Freeway. Channel 2's Jacob Rascone is live there now with the newest information for us. Jacob?
Yeah, Dominique, tonight officials have determined it is not yet safe to remove the bodies of the 3 construction workers who died in the accident. And we're told they're working on a plan to actually remove the collapsed staircases through the roof. Tonight, the fire department's elite rescue team is standing by as engineers check the stability of the perimeter of the stairwell and as construction workers cut holes in the roof of the building. Part of a plan, they say, to use a crane to remove the collapsed staircases.
It was at the very top of that construction, collapsing all the way down to the ground floor.
The 13 floors of concrete staircases collapsed at 1:30.
All we can tell you is that the actual stairwell that collapsed was under construction at the time of collapse.
Here's what the scissor staircase looked like before the collapse. Here's another shot from last Friday when the city of Houston conducted a structural inspection and found no concerns, complaints, or issues.
All you see was a bunch of smoke.
Chris Mercado says most of the 240 construction workers on site at the time were inside the building.
I was one of the first people down to unload. Like, everybody else was still up there around the 13th floor.
A permit for the 15-story project, the future headquarters of Marathon Oil, was approved about a year ago. The builder, subcontractor, and project development manager are working with Houston police and fire to investigate the fatal accident. In a statement, Harvey Builders also says it observes very strict protocols in every project, adding that their thoughts and deepest sympathies are with those affected. Some members of the elite rescue team will remain here throughout the night, we are told, as they cut those holes in the roof, and they work on that throughout the night and plan to start removing them with a crane starting tomorrow. Reporting live, Jacob Rascone, KPRC Channel 2 News.